I recently featured the crosshair highlights on Excel, but there were lots of requests if I could duplicate the same thing on Google Sheet. And this is how you can create a crosshair highlight in Google Sheet that looks something like this. Well, the first thing I have to do is to go to Extension and open up AppScript. AppScript is a programming language in Google Sheet where it's like VBA for lack of a better word. And you're going to put this program module here. I'll leave the program module in the description of this video if you want to copy and paste it. Then I want to bring your attention to row 4, 5, and 6. These are the spots that you can customize it. So basically row 4 and 5 means that the crosshair should not be highlighting the top 2 rows and the first column itself. Why? Because the top 2 rows are basically your header and you don't want the crosshair to touch it. And the column 1 is your main column itself where they have the description of the product. So essentially what I'm saying is that the crosshair should be only highlighting on the white space here. And the other thing you can customize would be the color of the crosshair. It's stipulated to be brown. Let me close this, guys. Here, stipulated to be brown. You can also use hexadecimal number if you like, and you can find the details in this web page here. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Like for example, if you want lime, you can just copy hashtag 528800 and just paste it within the double quote, and you'll get lime color. So once that's done, you're gonna hit on this save project here, and then gonna hit run. When you do that, if this is the first time running, they will probably ask you to log in with your Google account and also approve the permission to actually run this script on the Google Sheet here. But once you go through all those approval process, you should get something like that: execution started and execution completed. Now let's close this guy here and go back to your Google Sheet. You should see a crosshair like this. If you don't, just press F5 like this, and then it should refresh and load the Google Sheet that way. Let me zoom in here. Now if you start clicking around the spreadsheet, you can see that the crosshairs start to go to wherever you click. And you can also notice that the first 2 rows, it does not highlight it because that was outlined in the program, including the column as well.